Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove a player from a transfer list. So first of all we're going to set a player into the transfer list. So you start using the market, you unfortunately need to have level 5 in order to complete and open the market. You're going to press the market button, you're going to go into the my players section, and in here you're going to press the sell button. Here you're going to be able to say, in order to use a player for training or ranking, it must be unlocked. Do you want to unlock it? So first of all, you need to unlock this player. You're going to sell, and you're going to put it at, let's say, I'm going to put an outrageous price because I do not want him to be sold yet. So let's say 400,000. Oh, they have a set. Okay, let's put 230,000. I'm going to press the sell button and confirm. And here he has been on the transfer market. If you want to remove him, go into the my orders section, and here you're just going to either resell or press the X button, and here you have removed the player from the transfer market. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.